Hello, 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 Clark Brown. How are you? Listen, I made a video a few minutes ago. It seems that it might not have worked. It was on Facebook Live, and it didn't work. All I really would like to say to everyone, clients or not, doesn't matter, is that I want you to have a very Merry Christmas. I sat this morning, I got up really early and sat with my coffee and reflected on the year. And man, it sucked, didn't it? A lot of people got really mad and angry, but you're okay and you're still here. A lot of you lost money. It hurts, but you're okay and you're here and you've got the ability to make more. A lot of you were scared, but alas, you're okay and you're here. But we lost some people this year. We lost friends, maybe family. Sorry. We lost, maybe you lost someone or someone close to you, or a good friend. I had several good friends that lost parents, siblings. They're not here. So before we really feel bad about ourselves, let's think about that. Let's think about what we're okay. I was reading yesterday a story about the Inuit tribe. A lot of people call them Eskimos. They are not Eskimos. The Inuit tribe that inhabit the indigenous predecessors that inhabited the Arctic Circle and what was Alaska, northern Russia. They have, and I'm paraphrasing here, they have a saying that to survive in their world, you have to see far away and recognized behind you. You don't live in yesterday. You don't live in tomorrow. You live within today, but you're looking there. They claim that the white man looks only at that is in front of his face, his or her face. That they look only at what they see now and react and make decisions to that. That's probably true to a lot of degree. We are a reactionary society. But these Inuits, they know that we're only a piece and a part of it. And I don't want to get wholly philosophical, but we're only a piece of this little puzzle in this earth that's moving around. And what we do, while we might think in our head at that moment that we are huge and significant, we are not. We are as huge and significant to other people and how we do things. So they think that, you look as far as you can see, as far as you can imagine. You are planning what you do today for that. So as we roll into 2021, let's do that. I don't suspect that we're going to see another year like 2020 next year. My mind tells me that we will be much better off. We have learned a lot, and we will be better at reacting. I don't think we're going to have the same hardships. I don't believe the news and the fear that they're selling you and you're buying. But I think it's going to take some work. It's going to take a lot of work. But we're going to be able to do it, and we're going to move forward. And we're going to pivot. I'm pivoting. My business has changed, and I think it's probably going to be some parts of it are going to be permanent. It's nobody's fault. I cannot sit here and cry about it. You can't cry about your business and all the water damages that you didn't get. And eventually the disinfection will go away, and you'll be back to your core. But that's what we do. That's what people counted us to do. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to drop knowledge. I'm going to help people with their business, and I'm going to try to make this industry better. That's my goal. And buy less from Amazon. That's my other goal. Have a very Merry Christmas, an incredible New Year. Let's kick ass in 2021. What do you say? Take care.